Hey everyone, welcome to Nim's Choco Fantasy. Today it's not about recipes or cake decorating tutorial. Today is all about nutmeg, a beautiful spice which is used in both sweet and savory dishes. Apart from its usage in different dishes, it also has lot of health benefits and is a good source of certain vitamins and minerals. This is at my sister's place in Kerala. They have a huge garden with lot of nutmeg trees. There are different varieties of nutmegs. Nutmeg trees can be broadly categorized into hybrid and native trees. These trees need good rain or water to grow. The nutmeg tree that you see here is a hybrid one. It is shorter and denser than the native nutmeg trees. You can see that this fruit has opened up on its own. When this happens, this is the right time to pluck it. I am not an expert on nutmeg trees, but whatever I know, I am sharing with you all. If I am wrong, please do correct me. Though these trees need lot of water, they should also require good drainage and fertile soil. Both nutmeg and mace grow together in the same fruit. So inside this fruit you get two different spices. It's continuously raining here. I just came out to show you the tree and fruits. Can you hear the thunder? When the fruits are ripe, they will split and fall down. It can also be picked off the tree just as we did now. If you want to use the fruit, you can pluck it just before the fruit splits. We may not be able to know whether the fruit is ripe or not, but a nutmeg farmer will definitely get to know and they pluck the right ones. This is one such fruit. It is ripe but it is not split. We can use this fruit to make pickles, jam, squash, chutney and even wine. This red membrane that you see here, the nutmeg flower, is actually called mace. You need to separate this nutmeg flower from the seed casing very gently without breaking it. We just need to twist the seed casing and it gets separated easily. If the flower breaks, then the farmers get less price for this. This is the seed casing and it has to be dried completely in sunlight for 6 to 8 weeks till the nutmeg inside this shrinks and you can hear a rattle sound within the casing. At this point you can crack open the casing and inside this is the aromatic nutmeg that we use in n number of dishes. Mace has a warm pungent flavor and a sweet peppery undertone. It is often used in both sweet and savory dishes, adding depth and aroma. On the other hand, nutmeg has a warm, sweet and slightly spicy flavor with nutty and earthy undertone. This is also used in both savory and sweet dishes. These are completely dried. It seems dark colored ones are more pricey than light colored ones. As I told earlier, once it is dried, you can hear the rattling sound of the nutmeg inside the casing. When you break it open, you can see the nutmeg inside. This is the outer shell and it's the only thing which is inedible. Rest everything about this fruit is edible. This is the nutmeg. When it is freshly grated, it has a more intense aroma and flavor like citrusy and lemony in the beginning and it turns slightly bitter. So we have to be careful in the quantity that is to be used in the dishes. Though mace and nutmeg come from the same fruit, their flavor is slightly different from each other.